Hello, folks. Welcome to Economics Decoded. Today is our day 2 of the 30 days challenge. And the topic we are going to study in this video is circular flow of income, also known as circular flow of money. So, if in exam they ask you to define what is circular flow or what actually is the cycle of circular flow of money or income, then you have to answer about any of these questions in the same manner. Whatever answer you are expected to write for circular flow of income, the same is the thing that you are expected to write for circular flow of money. Okay? Now, ये होता क्या है? What is this circular flow of income or circular flow of money? Let's understand. We know in our economy there are 4 sectors. These are household, producer, government, rest of the world, also known as foreign sector. Now, this household consists of all the people who are consumers of the goods, and they are the suppliers of factor services. Factor services like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So these are the ones who are supplier of land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Whereas the producer sector consists of all the people who are into production of goods and services and in turn are responsible for paying the factor payments. ये जो है, they are the producers of the goods and services and they are the ones who are responsible to pay the household for their supply of factor services in the form of land के ऊपर they pay rent, labor को they pay wages, capital पर they pay interest, and entrepreneurship पे they earn profit. Now, you all will ask that we understood कि land, labor, capital, these things are actually the factor services, right? ये एक्चुअल में फैक्टर सर्विसेज है कि एक प्रोड्यूसर को प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल सब चीजों की जरूरत है. We understood that. But how come this profit or entrepreneurship is actually there? So, see, आप कुछ भी चीज खरीदते हैं किसी बिजनेस से, हम सॉल्ट लेते हैं, टाटा सॉल्ट, हम जूडियो जाते हैं, which is a company of Tata Group only. So all these things, whenever we as a consumer, we purchase from that producer, they earn profit. So this is that particular aspect. ठीक है, तो ये जो है households, they provide factor services to the producer and in turn the producer pay them factor payment in the form of rent, wages, interest. Let's come to government now. Government in turn is dependent on both household as well as the producer. Government दोनों पे depend करती है. कैसे? Household पे they depend for land, labor, capital. इन सभी फैक्टर सर्विसेज के लिए गवर्नमेंट भी डिपेंड करती है बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट के भी प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन, गवर्नमेंट टीचर्स, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज, गवर्नमेंट को भी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. So they also need household to help them with these things, right? Then they need the help of producers for various goods and services, right? Whether it is a capital good, whether it is in the form of consumer good, government को भी तो goods and services चाहिए, right? So they rely on producer for that, and government rely on both household as well as producer for tax and non-tax revenues. So that's how government depends on both household and producer for their factors, services, goods, and tax and non-tax revenues. Okay. Now, this rest of the world depends on all these three for exports and imports. क्योंकि किसी भी कंट्री में एक्सपोर्ट्स इंपोर्ट्स करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट की गुड पॉलिसीज आर रिक्वायर्ड. एफडीआई कम टू एनी कंट्री वेन एवर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज सपोर्ट देम वेल, उनको सब्सिडीज मिलती हैं, देयर इज सम टैक्स एग्जेम्पशंस, तो तभी गवर्नमेंट की वजह से दे कम एंड दे इन्वेस्ट इन एनी कंट्री, राइट. तो एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट के अलावा फॉर एफडीआई ऑल्सो foreign country, foreign sector depends on government, whereas whenever they are going to set up their industry or do export import, they will require land, labor, capital, right. उन्हें लैंड भी चाहिए होगा, लेबर भी चाहिए होगा, कैपिटल भी चाहिए कि कहीं पे भी बिजनेस करने के लिए, किसी कंट्री में बिजनेस करने के लिए. तो दैट्स हाउ दे डिपेंड ऑन ऑल दीज थ्री सेक्टर्स, एंड दिस इंटरडिपेंडेंस ऑफ ईच सेक्टर ऑन वन अनदर, मतलब इन सभी सेक्टर्स की जो डिपेंडेंस होती है एक दूसरे पे, उसको हम कहते हैं सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम बचपन में हमेशा किसी ना किसी की हेल्प लेते थे व्हेनेवर वी यूज्ड टू मेक प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉर आवर स्कूल. तो कभी किसी की ड्राइंग अच्छी है तो वो ड्राइंग करते थे, किसी की राइटिंग अच्छी है तो वो चार्ट बनाने में लिखते अच्छे से थे, एंड जिसको फोटोज ढूंढनी है या कुछ भी पजल सॉल्व करना है वो हेल्प लेते थे उनकी जो एनालिटिकल पर्सन है. सिमिलरली इन अ इकोनॉमी, whenever we study the thing at macro level, so all these sectors are actually dependent on one another. कोई अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता प्रॉपर्ली, सबको एक दूसरे की जरूरत पड़ती है. So that interdependence of each sector and the circulation of money from one sector to another and then back to that first sector is known as circular flow of income. Okay, then in your syllabus we are supposed to study a simple economy model. A simple economy or closed economy model is the one which consists of only two sectors. अभी जो हमने समझा it was a 4 sector economy जो एक्चुअल में रियल टाइम में एग्जिस्ट करती है, बट फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी पर्पस द सिलेबस रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स यू टुवर्ड्स 2 सेक्टोरल इकोनॉमी, जिसमें केवल 2 सेक्टर्स होते हैं, विच इज हाउसहोल्ड्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स. So let us study the circular flow diagrammatically in this closed economy setup. What is this? ये है हमारा household. This is our producer sector. Now, households provide factor services, that is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Sorry, ये थोड़ा सा land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. ये प्रोवाइड करते हैं प्रोड्यूसर्स को, एंड देन इन रिटर्न विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑल दीज फैक्टर सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूसर्स डू व्हाट, वो जो भी गुड्स हैं सर्विसेज हैं वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड दे प्रोवाइड फैक्टर पेमेंट्स टू द हाउसहोल्ड सेक्टर फॉर देयर फैक्टर सर्विसेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लैंड के लिए रेंट, लेबर को वेजेस पे करते हैं, कैपिटल पे इंटरेस्ट देते हैं, एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए वो दे गेन प्रॉफिट यूजिंग दिस फैक्टर पेमेंट जो भी मिली हाउस होल्ड को थ्रू प्रोड्यूसर, दे डू द कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर. कहने की बात ये है, लाइक हमारे घर में कोई ना कोई ऐसे होते हैं लोग जो ऑफिस में जाते हैं या गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय होते हैं, गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज में होते हैं, सो दे गेट सैलरीज. ठीक है, that salary is used by you to purchase this duster, to purchase this board, to purchase your favorite clothes, to purchase notebooks or pen. So ये सब चीजें कैसे आती हैं? Via that salary that the person is getting. ठीक है, so in that similar manner जो producer factor payment provide कर रहा है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेंट, वेज, इंटरेस्ट, प्रॉफिट, उसी के थ्रू हाउस होल्ड उसको खर्च करता है इन कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर. That is the circular flow of money in two-sector economy. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood. You can just write it as well. Now, there is two types of circular flows. दो तरीके के सर्कुलर फ्लो होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज रियल फ्लो एंड सेकेंड इज मनी फ्लो. You can write it with me. Real flow is also known as physical flow and money flow को हम nominal flow भी कहते हैं. So this involves flow of factor services and then corresponding flow of goods and services. There is no money involved. इस केस में जब we talk about real flow, which is also known as physical flow, इसमें we only talk about the flow of factor services from household to producer sector and the corresponding flow of goods and services from producer to household. There is no money involved in this, and this involves flow of factor payments from producer to household and then the corresponding flow of consumption expenditure. It only involves only money is involved or only money flows from one sector to other. So इस केस में सिर्फ it only involves the flow of money from one sector to another, whereas this involves the flow of goods and services from one sector to another. इसका एक जो है और वो बनाते हैं like this: household, producer. Let me just rub it up. You can just take a screenshot of it or write it. What happens is it only involves the flow of goods and services. So they supply factor services in the form of labor, land, capital, and entrepreneurship. And there is a corresponding flow of goods and services. Similarly, in case of money flow, you have to represent it in the way: this is household, this is producer. क्या होगा? There would be flow of consumption expenditure from household to the producer and the corresponding flow of factor payments. That is labor pay, wage, rent, interest, and profit. These are the two types of circular flows of income. So I hope you have understood the concept of circular flow of income in this video. For any query, you can write your questions in the comment section. I will be answering all your questions over there. Or make a separate video in case those questions cannot be answered in that particular comment section. For more such videos, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the updates. So thank you so much. Keep on preparing for your exam. So yeah, best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.